Hey, it's your girl Lauren Messiah here, and today we have a business slash fashion question from a personal stylist. The question is, Lauren, what are your top 10 tips to make a closet edit go faster while still providing excellent customer service? Okay, before we get into the answer, and I don't know that I have 10 tips, but I definitely have tips and thoughts that I will share. Let's talk about what a closet edit is. Closet edit, closet cleanse, closet detox, they have different names. You can name them for your business however you see fit. I used to call them closet cleanses. This is a key step in the personal styling process where a stylist is going to go in and assess your closet and help you get rid of things that no longer serve you in relation to your new sense of style. What a closet edit is not is you being a declutterer, you being a closet organizer. And I say that because a lot of newbie personal stylists that have not taken my programs, that have not taken styling fundamentals, they end up being in a client's closet for like 8-10 hours. And I'm like, how were you in there for so long? Because my closet edits are always about 2 hours, maybe a little tiny bit more, but 2 hours is the sweet spot. And I have cleaned out some pretty amazing closets. People who have closets that are like the size of a bedroom, people who have his and her closets that are like, oh my God, I could move into this closet and I'm not there all freaking day. So the reason that they're not going fast enough is because you're not approaching it as a stylist. So in order to know how to approach, you have to know why you're there. So that's tip number one. Why are you there? Why are you in your client's closet? It's not just to get rid of stuff for them. For me, it's so I can do my job as a stylist better. The reason people hire me to style them is because they want a new sense of style. Their current clothes are not working for them. They want new clothes. They want a new sense of style. They want a new point of view. The ta-da at the end of the process is them looking good in great clothes. So I use a closet cleanse to get to know my clients better. That's like my number one reason for being inside a client's closet, because a client's closet will tell you so much about them. It's going to show you when was the last time they shopped. It's going to show you what size they think they are. It's going to show you what size they really are. It's going to show you their mindset. It's going to show you how they feel about themselves and their level of success. It's going to show you their shopping habits. So I'm really in there as like a research project. And it's just the icing on the cake that we're going to get rid of some stuff that we don't need. I'm going to go in the closet. I'm going to see stuff that they haven't been wearing that I can take with me and utilize it in the pull when I go shop for new clothes. I can mix and match things from their existing wardrobe. I can see that I don't need to buy them another white blouse because they have freaking 10 of them. So the main reason is research. And as I'm going through the core pieces in their wardrobe, like the core section of their wardrobe, I'm moving quickly. And I'm like, girl, you don't need this. This isn't fit. And they end up participating with me. They're like, don't even look. They're like, I already know. I already know. Let's just throw this stuff to the side. That is what helps things go very fast. Knowing the intention of why you're there and moving with a purpose and having them help you. Here's what makes it take too freaking long. What makes it take too freaking long is you went in with the intention of cleaning out their closet. You're like, I'm cleaning out your closet. And you can say that, but what you really should mean is I'm assessing your closet. And while I'm there, I'm getting rid of some stuff. But when you go in with the intention of I'm cleaning out your closet, then all of a sudden you're in their workout clothes, you're in their sock drawer, you're looking at their underwear, you're looking at clothes that they haven't worn in 15 years. It's their little coat closet, their special occasion stuff, when really we just need to be in the key core area of their closet. You know what? A memory just dropped in. There was one closet that taught me this lesson the hard way. I had been doing closet cleanses, taking a few hours, hitting like the key areas, because my early clients, well, with the exception of one, she had a huge closet, but most of my clients had like a very manageable closet. I worked with this celebrity and I'm like, yeah, I'll come do a closet cleanse, like stuff you have, like I'll help you sell it and consign it. And when I got to her house, we started in the closet, which was huge. And then she's like, but there's clothes in the garage, and there's clothes in the guest room, and there's clothes back in the archives in the shed in my backyard. And I was there for days, there for days. And that was the moment where I'm like, dude, she's treating me like I'm a like declutterer. And it's not because she was treating me bad. It was that I had misrepresented what the purpose of the service was. So from that moment on, I was like, oh no, we don't need to look at your sock drawer. We don't need to go in the garage. We don't need to dig through your attic. That's not the service that I'm providing. So being really clear. The other thing that I will give you as a tip is you need to have outlined in your contract what a closet cleanse includes. So in my contract, and I give you sample contracts inside of Style Boss Academy, I say that a closet cleanse is 2 hours. If we go over the 2 hours, then you are billed at an hourly rate of XYZ. So the client is knowing that this party is a 2-hour party, okay? If you're like, let's dig through my attic, you can tell them, I'll dig through your attic with you. It's XYZ dollars per hour. Then they can make the decision. And if you feel like hanging out in a closet for 8 hours, if you're getting a couple $100 per hour for that, then cool. Have a good time. Help them get rid of stuff. So the excellent customer service comes in when you have intention, because legit, a client doesn't want you in their house for 8 hours either. They want the job to be done efficiently. People who hire, personal stylists, they tend to have really busy, full lives. So you just sitting there going through their old Lululemon, that's actually annoying. I'm thinking about, I had this woman who cleaned my house and she's excellent. I mean, excellent at cleaning. She cleans so well that she would be here for like 12 hours. And I'm like, I love you and I love the way that you clean, but girl, I got work to do. I got videos to record. I got people to coach. I got dogs to walk. I got stuff to do. We speed this up. I ended up changing services to someone who had like a full team of people so they could come in, clean, and then be out of here in a couple of hours. So the customer service was better when they had things more tight and efficient. So if in your styling business, you're like, well, it's part of what I do to go through their workout clothes. And I think I should go through their underwear drawer because I want to see if their bras are fitting right. Well, then maybe you need to hire an assistant that helps you speed this closet cleanse process along. I would bring an assistant to every fitting, but definitely during a closet cleanse, so they can be switching out hangers. They can be helping me fold things. I've done closet cleanses before where I brought an organizer with me so they could put things back and like make things move faster. So you might need to scale a little bit on your team to make things go more efficiently. So those are the tips that I will give you in this video. If you need more information on how to run your entire styling process, including the closet cleanse, closet edit, then getting inside of my program, Styling Fundamentals, will be the ticket for you. I have a whole entire module that goes through the closet cleanse. I give you my pre-closet cleanse assessment. I give you tips and frameworks, everything to make things go more efficiently and obviously professionally, because there's a difference between helping your friend clean out their closet and being a business owner who does it for a living, right? So enjoy the tips in this video, but if you want to go further, then the program for that is Styling Fundamentals. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have a fashion question for me, drop it in the comments below and I will answer it in a future video. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.